Hello and welcome to my tutorial of a math remedial tool called IXL Math. This site is um, free for its first initial use, and you get a certain amount of questions for free when you initially use it. But then it does cost money after that, but it is a great tool. It allows students to, through the Common Core, if you see here, if you click Common Core, you can go to some of the skills. Say your kid is in math in the fourth grade, and you want them to work on a skill like multiplication facts up to 12. You simply click on that, and then you can see there are problems that will pop up here. It will say to fill in the answer. 2 times 5 equals 10. It's brilliant. You got it right. Say you don't get it right. Say 10 times 5 equals 60. It shows that it is incorrect. It gives an explanation and shows you how to solve it. And then you simply click got it. Say you're doing this problem and you don't feel comfortable doing this problem, you can simply drill down to a lower level, down to here, and click on one of these, and it'll give you a different problem. And you can keep drilling down until you don't understand it, until you do understand it. I like it. It also shows progression.